Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to use circle to search in your gaming assistant feature in your Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. Firstly, open settings and now go straight to the display. Here in the display, scroll down till you see the, where is that, wait a moment, it will be here, navigation bar, and here we have the circle to search. Touch and hold the home button on the navigation handle to search using the content on your screen. Enable that. That's it from here. You have to just have it enabled, and now we can open any game. Let me, for example, open this game. It's just a game that I installed recently. Now we can click to lift that, and to use this gaming feature we have to hold on the navigation bar, and as you can see here we have some place and something is here. We can search it. We have to circle this what we want just to see, and here as you can see I generated something about that. Here as you can see in this casual scenario you have a princess tower under attack by goblins and skeletons. Actually no, but yes, that's how the EA works. Here as you can see they have princess tower defense, card selection, area damage cards. Here they have all these tactics about from that. And actually this doesn't pause our game, it's just a training, so that's why it's paused. But in real game it will just go quicker. We can do something like that, prolong it to the whole screen, and ask AI what does it thinks. Actually, as you can see, it takes much time, so I don't really think that you should use AI here. But yeah, here as you can see it gives us some tactics and we can do something. And actually that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leave a like on this video. It's very important to us to have your feedback. And as I said, that's it. I hope it helps you, and goodbye.